Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Vega, $5,800, Bennett, Nebraska. This 1977 Chevrolet Vega is far from a stock survivor, featuring an early 1990s Volvo drivetrain with fuel injection and an automatic transmission. While the listed 1 million miles almost certainly reflects the donor drivetrain or an inaccurate entry, the seller states the car runs very well and benefits from extensive documentation. A body described as 99% rust-free is especially impressive, considering the Vega's well-known history of rust issues. The interior remains respectable for its age, making this an interesting and affordable custom classic for someone who appreciates unique engineering rather than originality. Number 2. 1972 Chrysler New Yorker Sedan, $3,000, Tecumseh, Oklahoma. Powered by Chrysler's legendary 440 cubic inch V8, this two-owner New Yorker has an appealing history, having remained with its original owner until recently. Although the engine appears to have seized after restoration work began, the seller has already invested in numerous new mechanical components, including the starter, radiator, fuel system, and ignition parts. The rust-free body and excellent original paint make this a strong restoration candidate. For the price, the car offers tremendous value if the engine can be repaired or replaced. Number 3. 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon, $7,500, Caledonia, Minnesota. This California-sourced two-door ranch wagon combines desirable styling with an exceptionally solid body. The original 239 cubic inch V8 turns freely, while a low-mileage 1964 Ford 289 V8 is included for buyers seeking improved performance. Its naturally aged patina and minimal rust make it highly attractive among collectors who appreciate preserved originality. Although the interior requires attention, the solid body alone makes this an appealing foundation for restoration or a tasteful preservation build. Number 4. 1972 Lincoln Continental Premiere Sedan, $7,000, Lawrence, Kansas. Equipped with the dependable 460 cubic inch V8, this Lincoln has already received sensible upgrades, including distributor, carburetor, and exhaust improvements. The leather interior is reportedly in excellent condition, and the car is ready to cruise despite needing only a temperature gauge and minor air conditioning work. These early 1970s Lincolns are admired for their smooth ride, massive proportions, and effortless highway comfort, making this an attractive, full-size luxury classic. Number 5. 1964 Plymouth Valiant Signet, $2,000, Marion, Kentucky. This inexpensive Valiant Signet is an honest restoration project powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. It reportedly ran only 6 months ago and now mainly requires a battery and front floor pan repairs. The lack of a title means buyers should verify local registration requirements before purchasing. Despite that limitation, the price leaves plenty of room in the budget for restoration while preserving one of Chrysler's most durable compact classics. Number 6. 1963 Ford Galaxie Country Sedan, $8,000, Perry, Iowa. This country sedan has already received several worthwhile upgrades, including front disc brakes, a new radiator, generator, steering components, and cooling system improvements. Powered by the dependable 352 cubic inch V8, it remains a running and driving wagon with classic patina. It still requires tires, minor electrical repairs, carburetor adjustments, and eventual restoration work. But the solid mechanical foundation and spacious body make it a practical vintage family cruiser. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Nova, $1,500, Palmyra, Missouri. At only $1,500, this barn-find Nova hatchback offers one of the lowest entry prices in the classic car market. The car has reportedly remained stored since 1980, and the condition of its inline six-cylinder engine is unknown. The missing title significantly affects value, but for someone needing parts or searching for a budget restoration challenge, it still represents an inexpensive opportunity. Number 8. 1969 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe, $6,500, Springfield, Illinois. This two-owner Skylark features a solid frame, healthy Buick 350 V8, and a body that appears structurally sound. While it still needs paint and brake work, the seller reports that it runs well and remains mechanically enjoyable. The 1969 Skylark is appreciated for its clean styling and strong V8 options, making this a promising candidate for a straightforward cosmetic restoration rather than a complete rebuild. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Station Wagon, $3,200, Maud, Oklahoma. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and turbo 350 automatic transmission, this Malibu wagon remains a running and driving project. Rust in the floors and rear quarters means body restoration will require significant effort, but the drivetrain provides an excellent starting point. Classic station wagons continue gaining popularity, and this affordable example offers considerable potential for enthusiasts comfortable with metalwork. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $10,000, Leon, Kansas. This first-generation Monte Carlo remains one of Chevrolet's most stylish personal luxury cars. The seller believes it may house a 383 cubic inch V8, although this has not been confirmed, so buyers should verify before purchasing. Some rust is present, but these cars continue to enjoy strong collector demand thanks to their attractive styling, comfortable ride, and abundant aftermarket support. With careful inspection, this could become an excellent restoration project. Number 11. 1978 Mercury Grand Marquis, $10,000, Lebanon, Ohio. Showing only 37,370 miles, this Grand Marquis appears to be an exceptionally well-preserved survivor, finished in attractive green inside and out. Although the seller provides few details, the mileage and reported condition suggest an unusually original example. These full-size Mercuries deliver outstanding comfort, smooth highway manners, and dependable V8 performance, making them increasingly appreciated among collectors seeking overlooked luxury classics. Number 12. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 convertible, $8,000, Midland, Ohio. This Corvair Monza convertible combines open-air driving with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs, drives, and stops properly while benefiting from numerous new components. Only minor cosmetic attention is needed before regular enjoyment. The Corvair's rear-mounted air-cooled engine gives it a distinctive driving experience unlike most American classics, making this an enjoyable weekend cruiser with plenty of character. Number 13. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900, $11,000, Mason, Ohio. Few Corvairs can match the historical appeal of this example, which reportedly comes with documented history as a former Indianapolis Motor Speedway museum vehicle. Although it currently does not run, its mostly original condition and museum background make it especially desirable for collectors who value provenance. Restoring a historically documented car often provides greater long-term appeal than restoring an ordinary example. Number 14. 1977 Ford Thunderbird, $4,500, Delphos, Ohio. This Thunderbird remains a running project that recently completed a 4-hour road trip despite needing carburetor adjustment. Recent investments include new brake lines, a new air conditioning condenser, and a replacement fuel tank, reducing some immediate maintenance costs. While cosmetic work remains, the ability to drive the car immediately makes it an attractive project for enthusiasts seeking a usable classic rather than a complete restoration. Number 15. 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente, $11,500, Big Stone Gap, Virginia. Finished in striking black over black, this matching numbers Comet Caliente offers strong collector appeal. Factory air conditioning, numerous new replacement parts, and a very solid body enhance its desirability. The Comet is well known for its lightweight platform and dependable mechanical components, making this an appealing investment quality classic that can be enjoyed without requiring major restoration. Number 16. 1963 Buick Invicta, $6,900, Newark, Ohio. This Buick Invicta wagon is powered by the famous 401 cubic inch nailhead V8, one of Buick's most respected engines for smooth torque and durability. Originally sourced from California, it retains solid floors and an excellent frame, while benefiting from new brake lines, master cylinder, tires, and attractive American racing wheels. It currently runs and drives using an external fuel supply, requiring only fuel tank cleaning and a power brake booster to become even more roadworthy. With its rare wagon body style and strong mechanical foundation, this is a very appealing classic that offers excellent value for its asking price.